What is the secret weapon for sellers in today's market? The answer is seller concessions. Seller concessions can be the secret weapon to attract more buyers and get your home sold faster. Let's talk about what they are and why they matter. Hi, I'm Lisa Romero with Echelon Realty and Equity Advantage. First off, what is seller concessions? Seller concessions are when a seller offers to cover some of the buyer's costs. Things like closing costs, repairs, or even helping buy down their mortgage rate. For the past few years, sellers have had the upper hand, but the market has shifted. So flexibility is your key to get top dollar for your home. And with inventory rising, nearly 1 in 4 sellers offered a concession in 2024. Throwing in extras help give buyers peace of mind on their purchase and can also sweeten the deal. And the best part? These costs don't come out of your pocket up front. They're simply deducted from your profits at closing. Offering concessions in a shifting market will help you attract more buyers and make your home stand out in a competitive market. Plus, concessions can possibly speed up the sale and avoid long delays on the market and price reductions. More importantly, it can help keep the deal from falling apart by meeting buyers halfway instead of losing them. Bottom line, offering the right concessions at the right time can help you sell faster and for more money. The key is negotiation strategy, and that's where I come in. So if you're thinking about selling, let's chat about how you're going to get the best deal for you. Get with me so we can prepare a marketing plan to strategize the best return on your investment. Lisa Romero with Equity Advantage and Echelon Realty, where doing the right thing for my clients comes naturally.